Do you guys want to know the strategy behind getting selected at TCS? I got you. You are at the right place. Just keep watching till the end of this video. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Uncomplicated Engineer. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about how I got selected at TCS. So it's going to be an all-in-one video, and I'm going to discuss about my preparation strategies and all about the selection process. So let's get started. So the first thing is the timeline. I applied for the test on 14th of August 2021, and the second one is the Ninja NQT exam date. I had the exam on 16th of September, and then there was the interview. Since I cleared the exam, I got to attend the interview. It was on the 3rd of November. Let's just discuss more on NQT and programming exam. So the total time for the exam was of 3 hours, and the types of questions that were asked were the first one being quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal reasoning, and there were 2 coding questions. So in the quantitative aptitude sections, you can see questions related to ages, probability, PNC, and other all major types of aptitude questions. In the second criteria, that is the logical reasoning, second category, that's logical reasoning. In this category, you'd be seeing questions of patterns and the odd man out questions, and also finding the missing number question. These are all that questions which fall under the logical reasoning category. And the third one was verbal reasoning. In the verbal reasoning, you could see questions based mostly on the English language, and it would have questions like fill in the blanks with the most appropriate phrase and reordering, rearranging the sequences, that type of question. The fourth and most important part was 2 coding questions. So the level of these questions would be something between beginner to intermediate, and you would be having choice of languages. You can select from Java, C++. There are other types of languages you can check there. So this was all about the types of question. Now a bonus point, I would be discussing about the free sources for preparation, which I have used personally. The first one is Career Ride YouTube channel. It's one of the finest channel. You can find various good examples, solved examples. They give the explanation one by one. They give explanation to the solution, and the questions are really great. They have questions right from the basics to the advanced also. So you can just check out the channel for your preparation. The second one is Prep Insta, their website, and there's also their YouTube channel. So their website has a good set of questions. Those are in the free section, and there's also a paid section. So in the free section, you're having various questions, and the most important thing about Prep Insta is that they're having a timed assessment. You can attempt a timed assessment, and you can check your accuracy with that. They're also having the solutions given there, so it's also a great resource. The third one is Online Study for You YouTube channel. It's also a great channel, and the important thing about this channel is that they provide you short tricks, and that's the great thing that they have. The rest, everything they have in their channel, that is the verbal, logical, quantitative aptitude, all the examples, and they have explained it perfectly. So you can just go and check out all these 3 resources. So the next thing is my technical interview. So the total time for the interview was 30 minutes approximately, and the questions asked were introduce yourself. So I introduced myself, and to give you a short insight, I would say introduce yourself in the shortest way possible, and you should cover all the points such as your name, your current degree, your specialization, your CGPA, your soft skills, your skills, technical skills, and also about your project. So I told them that I am Shreya, I am currently in the final year of my engineering, which is focused in computer engineering, and I have a CGPA of 9.14. And my technical skills include Python, C++, front-end development, graphic design. And I had worked on a project which is so and so, and I played the role of a team leader. So this is all about me. So you can just tell in this pattern, and that would be great. So the second thing that I was asked was, tell me about your projects, and I told him about my projects. So I was having 4 projects in my resume. 2 were my personal projects and the other 2 were my academic projects. So he asked me questions on them also, and I explained it to him. So they were totally based on Python, so I had questions regarding Python, about the libraries that I've used, why this one, why that one, how the project is working. You can explain me the procedure and how are the function calls and all this stuff. And after that I was asked, what are Python decorators? After that, what is docstring in Python? And after that I was asked, what is lambda function in Python? So if you are a Python developer and you're attending an interview, you should know all these basic things, and you can just have a look on them, you can read them prior to your interview. That would be a great thing. You can excel your interview more then. So after that I was asked, what certifications have you done? I told him about the name of the certifications and the organization that I've done it from. At last I was asked any questions for me. I asked him for the feedback, and he told me certain things about it. So that was my technical interview. After that I had my HR interview after 2 to 3 days, I guess. Yeah. So the total time taken for the HR interview was about 15 to 20 minutes approximately. And the questions I was asked were, introduce yourself. So this is the same that I did in the TR. I told exactly same in the HR. So yeah. The second one that was asked was, tell me about your family background and your city. I gave her the answer. Then I was asked, what are your hobbies? I told her about it. After that I was asked, do you have any offer in your hand? So it is the most important questions among all the 7 listed here. You have to be honest about it. You have to tell them about the offers, number of offers that you have in your hand, and yeah, just be honest about it. So I told her about my offer that I had. And after that, if yes, which is the company and what is the compensation? I told her about the company and the package they are offering to me. After that I was asked, if yes, then why do you want to join TCS? So here is the complete climax of your interview. If you are having an offer in your hand, why do you want to join TCS? The very simple way to answer this is, even if I have an offer in my hand, I find TCS very great. It has a great employee policies. It has a very great employee background, and yeah, the environment is great. And you have to add certain points, certain advantages of TCS. And that's it. You have to answer in this way only. And the last question that I was asked is, any question for me? I said no questions. So here my HR interview was ended, and it was great on my opinion. So that was it, guys, from this interview. I explained you everything about my assessment, online exam to my TR and HR. I hope you have found this video helpful, and if it is so, please mention that in the comment section. That will give me a great motivation. And also, if you are having any type of queries and questions, you can just write it down in the comment sections, and I will be really quick to answer your queries. And also, do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.